So I know January can be a bit of a funny month and you don't really feel like doing anything. So I thought I'd do an Art for Wellbeing series. So today we're actually just going to be doing whatever you want. So grab yourself a medium that you feel most free. So I prefer to use charcoals and chalks. You can use watercolors, anything. And we're just going to have fun. So light yourself some candles, have a cup of tea, and let's put our feet up and produce something. I'm going to be doing my favorite, which is obviously a horse, and I think you know that. So I'm not going to start off in my usual way of doing shapes. I kind of am. I'm going to do some circles there just to show where the horse is going to go. But I'm going to do it so freely, and the most important thing about this is that you're having fun, you know. This is what all Art for Wellbeing is about. It's just using your creative time, not to produce something perfect. It's not going to look amazing, I know that, but it's just going to be really fun in the process. So I'm just going to use big strokes and just use my hands, get really involved, enjoy the medium that you're using, whether it's paint or charcoal or watercolor. Just really enjoy what it feels like. You know, just kind of, it's that whole thing about mindfulness, isn't it? You know, just being in that moment and just enjoying what you're doing. And just not worrying about what the future's going to hold, not worrying about what your drawing's going to look like. And you know, so many people are so scared to pick up a paintbrush or a pen and just do some artwork because they're so worried about what it's going to look like. And you know, you've completely wasted that moment. Nobody really has to see your artwork in the end. It's for you and only you. So you draw whatever you want. Keep a sketchbook and you know, just bring it out when you're feeling maybe a bit down, or you just need a kind of somewhere to vent, or something like that. Make it your personal space, like as if you had a diary. That's what I use mine for. Anyway, I'm going to speed this up a little bit, but you know, you pick your own subject and choose what you'd like to do. And I'd be really interested. Leave me a note in the comments below. Just let me know what you decided to draw in the end and in what medium. I'm really interested to find out.